severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Menard County, Logan County, northeastern Sangamon County, southeastern Tazewell County, southwestern McLean County, eastern Mason County, until 3:30 p.m. At 3 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Valley to Mason City to near Petersburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mason City, Delavan, Greenview, San Jose, and New Holland around 3:05 p.m. Hopedale, Empton, and Middletown around 3:10 p.m. Hartsburg around 3:15 p.m. Minear around 3:20 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 22. Interstate 55 between mile markers 111 and 148. Interstate 74 between mile markers 121 and 125.